So we just finished 5 hours driving to get to Aiden's appointment here in Miami. As you can see, there's a big hurricane about to hit Miami. If it doesn't turn back, then I guess we'll be in it. But for now, you know, we're here. We have to meet his appointment. So rain, storm, hurricane, it doesn't matter. He will see his doctors. Love you, Aiden. And just remember, it doesn't matter what happens, mommy is always here for you, supporting you 100%. I'm sorry for the rain, but you know, one day this will be behind you. Mwah. Love you, pumpkin.